Hello everyone, today our group we will present about cell adaptations consist of metaplasia and atrophy topics. Let's start with the first topic, metaplasia. Metaplasia is a mechanism of adaptation of cell in response to stimuli for survival and suitable for new environment. It is the transformation of one cell into another cell. It is usually a change from the cell that it was. For example, from a columnar or transitional type to a squamous cell type. Squamous metaplasia at endocervix caused by inflammation over a period of time in endocervix. Simple columnar cell change to stratified squamous epithelium. Squamous metaplasia at bronchus found in people who smoke for a long time. The substance in cigarette cause of pseudo-stratified ciliated columnar epithelium transform into stratified squamous epithelium.
The glandular metaplasia at esophagus is happens when the overflow of food or digestive juice up into the esophagus or called gastric reflux. Make the linings of the esophagus non-keratinized. Squamous epithelium that is not resistant to acid transform into columnar epithelium. Bony metaplasia at skin have chronic inflammation of the skin. Fibrous connective tissue can be converted into the bone tissue instead.
Atrophy is a mechanism of adaptation of cells in response to stimuli that run the cell decrease functional demands, resulting in tissues or smaller organs. It can occur from both physiologic and pathologic stimuli. Cause of atrophy. Physiological atrophy is found during embryonic development. Pathological atrophy can occur both locally and generalized. Diffuse atrophy is an adaptation of skeletal muscle cells. After a fracture have to be cast for a long time, the skeletal muscle cells are inactive, causing the skeletal muscle cells to decrease in size and number. When healed, muscle back in motion, it will cause the skeletal muscle cells to return to their normal size. Denervation atrophy is an adaptation of skeletal muscle cells. After there is no nerve impulse to stimulate, due to the disconnection of nervous metabolism in skeletal muscle cells decrease. This causes the skeletal muscle cells to decrease in size.
Diminished but atrophy will cross in the case of steroidemia. Measuring nutrient and oxygen to the cell of adjust to be small as are reserved. Tissue and organs are smaller in size. Most of causes are the result of embolism from atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis in the elderly. Inadequate nutrition, lack of protein and carbohydrate, causes the body to take nutrients from muscle cells to produce energy, making the cell smaller. Next slide. Facial atrophy. Organ pain for a long time. Make cells and tissue that are assembled in the organ are small parts of facial inconvenient but supply. Loss of phenocryl stimulation occurs with hormone responsive organs such as the back and genital in movement. At menopause, the rate of hormone stimulate the cell and atrophy of back and tissue. I would write an presentation just like this. Thank you for watching.